Alright, hi. I'm Viver's Kid. I'm here to show you my newest Swiss Army knife, the Swisstool. Now, as you can see, it's like Leatherman style with the folding pliers. It's hard to do with one hand, so. And it's got a wire cutter, a lot of stuff. Yeah. Now, one of my favorite things about this is all the tools. Like here's the drop point main blade, have a lock release, and so it's basically everything is like a locking tool. It's like I can't push it down, I have to pull down the release and then push it down. It also has another tool that I think is really neat, and it's a serrated blade. It might be hard to see this wavy edges, but there they are. I'm a big fan of serrated blades, but I hate those half serrated blades because you can never use them for either one thing. They try to be useful, but they're not. Alright. Here is well, that's pretty much all the basics. If you look right here, it's hard to see, but it's a ruler for inches. On this side, centimeters. It goes up to about 9 inches and to about 23 centimeters. So it's just a little contraption. It comes with a nifty belt pouch. Anyway, that's it.